Hey there, Fletcher All Things Overlanding here, and today I wanted to talk to you about MOORE Expo 2024. I thought about making this video just because I've been for the last few years and it's been one of my favorite overlanding expos that I've ever been to. So I wanted to share that with you folks that are newer. If you haven't seen this before, if you haven't heard about this before, it's in Springfield, Missouri. It takes place from April 19th through 20th. They've also added a power sports section, so there's going to be, you know, side-by-sides and motorcycles and adventure bikes and all kinds of stuff. Plus then there's a ton of awesome vendors that bring out all their gear, so you can check out rooftop tents in person. You can see that expensive gear that maybe you've been thinking about getting but haven't been able to put your hands on and aren't sure if you're making the right decision. Also, they have this really cool thing, and that's kind of where I'm going to be and why I'm bringing this up, called the Storytellers. And I'm one of the Storytellers. I'm fortunate to be a part of that, and I'm thankful that they chose me to be a part of that. But I'll be out there with the truck. And I was there last year, and I had nothing on it, no rooftop tent. I just put my bed rack on. It wasn't even on right. And I had bought the truck like 2 weeks before I came out for MOORE Expo last year. So if you want to come see the fully built out truck, it's got suspension 33s on it now. If you are a Nissan person, I'd love to see you at MOORE Expo. Come and say hello to me, because this thing will be there with it in its current configuration. Anything regarding the 3rd gen Frontier, the extrusion rack, the rooftop tent, overlanding in general, I'd love to talk to you, and I'd love to see you out there. While I'm there, I'm going to bring with me a whole bunch of my patches and stickers. There'll be a link in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and order them and have them shipped to you, but I will have those out there with me too for sale, so bring some cash if you want, and come see me and pick up some patches and stickers. I've said that I'm going to do that every year, and then I never do it. So this year I'm bringing them. I'm going to set up from a certain amount of time, and I will put that in the description of this video as far as what times I will be sitting at my truck. And if you want stickers or patches, just drop by and get some for yourself. Also, of course, it's always a good time to hang out at MOORE Expo. I get to see a bunch of my friends, other content creators, other manufacturers, and people that are in the overlanding space. So come out and meet some of those folks. Come out and spend some time chatting. I'd love to chat with you. And so again, I just wanted to share this event. In the description down below will be a link to MOORE Expo where you can get your tickets. I'll also put a coupon code for 10% off down there that you can use to save yourself a couple bucks. They also have camping on site. So there's a ton of ways to kind of spend some time here and get to hang out with, you know, your favorite YouTubers, get to hang out with, you know, the big guys. I'm a little guy, but you know, the Ozark Overland Adventures folks will be there. Cottywomple Overland will be there. There's so many, I can't even name them all. Revere Overland should be there. So there'll be a ton of different folks there that you get to see, and it's a ton of fun. Also, as I mentioned, there are so many vendors, so many things to see. There is a place inside where they play live music and you can kind of rest and relax. There's food and drinks. There's just so much stuff to see that it is a ton of fun, and I would love to see you guys out there. Again, check the description for links to all the stuff I'm talking about, to get your tickets, to go camping if you want to, save 10% off everything, whether it's camping or just admission tickets. That will be in the description down below. Again, stickers and patches will be linked in the description below, or I will have them on site when I'm there. But come out and say hello. I'd love to see you. So check out the description down below for all the info on MOORE Expo, and I hope to see you guys there.